Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you one quick tip on how to be more efficient at the bash shell. As you start working in your terminal, what will start to happen very quickly is your screen will become cluttered. Sometimes you want to clear this mess. I used to type the command clear, but I recently discovered a new hotkey, as I'll call it, which is Control L. Now, going from 6 keystrokes to 2 may not seem like much, but over time, that starts to add up. Thank you, and have a great day.